Over the next 8 million years at U of A Geosciences, the structure tectonics people are going to have...
Hiking Sabino Canyon today. It's a little cool, but it's good for hiking. ដើរឡើងភ្នំដើរព្រៃថ្ងៃនេះនៅសួនឧទ្យានជាតិហៅថា Sabino Canyon.
There's a visitor center here at Sabino Canyon. And this is the starting point of the hike. And if you don't want to do any hiking but just wanted to take a little tour of the canyon, you can also purchase tickets to ride the shuttle of a trip, and there's one of the tram right there that you can purchase tickets to ride in. And there's cold drinks, coffee, so there's a lot of amenity here.
នៅសួនឧទ្យាន Sabino នេះគឺគេមានកន្លែងលក់កាហ្វេភេសជ្ជៈលក់ ice cream លក់អីក្រែមកៃអីចា Sabino Canyon is very popular. We receive about 1 million visitors a year. មកសួនឧទ្យាន Sabino នេះគឺល្បីគ្រាន់មួយឆ្នាំគាត់អ្នកទេសចរមកប្រហែល 1 លាននាក់ Visitors coming to Sabino Canyon National Park, they charge $8 per day per vehicle, or can pay $10 for the whole week. ចាពេលមកសួនឧទ្យានជាតិនៅ Sabino នេះគេចតឡានគេយកមួយឡាន$8មួយថ្ងៃឬក៏មួយអាទិត្យគេយក$10 And they do have really nice clean toilet, flushable. ចាគេមានបន្ទប់ទឹកចុចទឹកស្អាតរបស់គេនៅកន្លែងនេះ So inside the visitor center here, they're letting us know that what to expect to find when you're out in the wild. You could possibly see bobcats. You could see, we saw some deer and some wild animals that's in there. Javelinas. ចាមានជ្រូកព្រៃមានឆ្មាព្រៃអីនៅដើរព្រៃនេះចាអញ្ចឹងគេចង់បង្ហាញយើង And they do have this train here, Sabino Canyon crawlers, for those who wants to ride. នេះអាឡានតែភ្លើងនេះអាហ្នឹងគេឲ្យយើងជិះជិះបើសិនណាយើងខ្ជិលដើរព្រោះដើរហ្មងទៅដល់ពាក់កណ្ដាលនោះមកហត់ណា
This is a start zero.
Okay, mile 0. You get my picture. Let's begin the hike.
We are on the main road heading to one of the trails. As you can see, there's Catalina Mountain in the background. Today is a beautiful day for hiking. I think it's about 61 degrees right now, so it's very comfortable. This is the time usually it'd be the best hiking time. Here in Tucson, Arizona, if you wait too long, it can get pretty hot. So you always want it to start off early, and also in early spring.
ចាពេលយើងដើរឡើងភ្នំតើយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមពីព្រលឹមអុលបន្តិចបានវាអត់សូវក្តៅព្រលឹមអុលចេះវាត្រជាក់ហើយវាស្ងាត់ណាចាអញ្ចឹងយើងដើរអត់សូវទាំងហក់ជាពិសេសយើងនៅរដ្ឋ Arizona នេះវាក្តៅស្ងួតមែនតើអញ្ចឹងតើយើងទៅពីព្រលឹមបន្តិច
This is called Ocotillo, and you can usually tell them by just a long, slender branch going all the way up with this beautiful flowers at the tip of it.
នេះដើមតបងយ៉ាក់មួយទៀតគេហៅថា Ocotillo ចា Ocotillo មួយដើមវាឡើងត្រង់ភ្លឹងស្រួចខ្មែរយើងមានអត់ណានៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងដើមត្រង់ភ្លឹងតូចៗចា
So this is the trails we're going to take. It's a short one. It's a bluff trail, number 51. So there's places you end up at Sabino Lake, which is about 0.2 miles. Sabino Dam, 0.3 miles. So the creek trail itself is 0.2 miles. So this is the one we're going to go. All right.
ឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមដើរចុះទៅតាមចន្លងភ្នំនេះមុនគេគេហៅថាប្រឡោះហ្នឹងគេហៅថា Bluff Trail. Now as you hike through the mountains we also have to be very careful about snakes because snakes tends to come out between the month of May through September. ពេលយើងដើរលេងភ្នំក៏យើងត្រូវប្រយ័ត្នដែរពីព្រោះអីគឺវាមានពស់មានអីដែលវាចេញមកពស់វាច្រើនចេញពីត្រឹមខែ5ទៅខែ9ជាពិសេសពស់កណ្ដឹង
I think this is the reason why a lot of people enjoy hiking, because you're away from the city and the noise of the vehicle traffic, and you're coming out here, it's just so quiet and so peaceful.
ចាយើងដើរលេងភ្នំទៅដែលមានអារម្មណ៍ស្រស់ស្រាយស្រួលល្អណាស់ព្រោះអីគឺអត់មានលឺសំឡេងញ៉ៃញ៉ៃអីទៅស្ងាត់ជាមួយធម្មជាតិ You know it's very high tolerance but we haven't had rain for the longest time.
Excuse me. Yes.
She made it.
I made it. How far was that?
Looks like the streams are dry at the moment. So this is beginning of springtime. I guess the snow have not melted, and so we don't get a lot of flowing water at the moment. We're at the Sabino Canyon Dam, and this year at this time there are no water flowing. Usually this pool will be completely full, and you see the wall there, there'll be plenty of water flowing down there.
រាល់ឆ្នាំនៅកន្លែងនេះឃើញទឹកនេះហ៎ទឹករាល់ឆ្នាំវាពេញឡើងមកដល់លើប៉ុន្តែឆ្នាំនេះវាស្ងួតហួតហែងដោយសារវាអត់មានភ្លៀងយូរហើយ
No fish. Just looking for other critters.
It's this bridge usually fill up with water, but this year it's quite low.
Please don't.
And there are some years the water will come all the way up here, and when you cross, you're gonna get your feet wet.
ចាកន្លែងនេះក៏ដូចគ្នាដែរដល់ពេលទឹកនៅនេះក៏មុនវាឡើងមកឡើងពេញហូរមកដល់ផ្លូវនេះឆ្នាំនេះគឺស្ងួតធេង
Okay, so we're gonna take the phone line trail, okay? And when you all get tired, then we'll come back.
ឥឡូវយើងដើរទៅប្រឡោះមួយទៀតហើយប្រឡោះមួយនេះគេហៅថា phone line trail
There's a little break here going up Bear Canyon, Phoenix phone line, and the same trail that goes to Bear Canyon also go to Seven Falls. I don't know if you can see, but there's a deer eating. This one right up there behind the bush. He's looking this way too. Yeah, and supposedly there's another one here. Okay, so the one up there, he's moving now. I don't see the... Oh, here's the other one. Gotta be quiet. Here's the other guy right here. Up there. You see him? Oh, it's a great day today. We get to see some wild animals today.
So cute.
ថ្ងៃនេះយើងបានឃើញឆ្លុះដែរតានេះឆ្លុះហើយនឹងកូនគេ
Little boy, you look so cute.
Guess he's tired looking at us or tired of us looking at him.
Not yet.
As you hike up the mountains, you'll see beautiful cactuses and their blossoms. យ៉ាដើរលេងភ្នំឃើញផ្កាដំបងយ៉ានេះរីកស្អាតតែ at the same time, we have to be really careful about this other cactus called the jumping cactus. When the roots vibrate, it can jump and land on you as sharp. Darling ក៏ប្រយ័ត្នដែរពីព្រោះបងយ៉ាក់មួយនេះវាមានរោមច្រើនតែយើងដើរទៅជិតវាគឺអារើសវាហ្នឹងវាញ័រវាលោតមកទុំលើយើងអាហ្នឹងដូចបញ្ជុលចឹង Oh, trying to catch my breath. That hike, it was tiring. So I hope you enjoyed the view of Sabino Canyon in Tucson, Arizona. It's quite a hike. There's a lot of trails and just a lot of beauties, as you can see all around. It's more so if you want to see this type of cactus, saguaro cactus. We have plenty here in Tucson, Arizona. So until next time, see you later.